Hello everyone, so this is the unboxing video of Launch C Reader Professional 123x. I had a small device before it and it wasn't reading many of the codes, so I just decided to upgrade the device that I had, a scanning device. So after a bit of a research there, I just went for this reasonably budget option. So I got this for 180 euros. I think the equivalent they go for $180 or maybe £130 in some of the online stores, on maybe on Amazon. Anyway, so I bought this device, and what you get with this box is you have a handheld device. So the scanner itself, you get the data cable. One end you connect to the device, other end goes to your OBD II connector in your car, and you also get the charging port with it. This device also comes with the handbag, and you will see in a moment that inside the handbag it contains the instructions manual, and that's really handy to set up your device. And this device is also a touch screen device, even though there are a few kind of the toggle buttons there on the side, but you can pretty much operate it with a touch screen. Right, there you go. So that's the instruction manual there, and that kind of contains all the information in it, how you can operate the device. So you get the box, that's the box there, and you get the instruction manual. You get the data cable, the charging port, and the device itself. That's really sturdy looking device, really good. And you can see the power button on the top there. You press that and it comes to life. Good looking device. I cannot wait to use it to diagnose the problems in the cars that I'm going to own. Right, so when you turn it on, it takes a couple of moments for it to launch. So this will be the first time I'm setting it up. Okay, so in the meantime it comes on again, and this is what you get in the box. So you will see the handbag a little later in the video. Okay, so now the device has come on. So this is the first time you'll see it. So just press on the next button there. You can select the language from here, the preferred option, and the region. So I'll just select the English and I'll select the region, England or London. Okay, so that's Europe, London. I've selected it. Press next. Now what you have to do is you have to pick up your Wi-Fi, and once you select the Wi-Fi that you're going to use, you need to then insert your security key in it. After you've done that, it brings the next item there, next screen, which is your QR code. If you scan it with your phone, it tells you the details of the device, and after that you put your email address and the phone number, and then you're ready to go. And you can see that here there are already upgrades available. There are 37 upgrades that I needed to do, so I just pressed on that upgrade option there, the 37 of them, and I'm going to click install. So it will start installing all the upgrades that are available. So that's what you will do first time around when you're setting the device up, and in the meantime, if the other updates become available, and you will see that on the upgrades screen there. So in this case there were 37 of them, so it's going to take some time for them to install. Right, so they are finished now. So just press the middle button there, and then now, so they are ready to go. Okay, so first you download them, now you're going to install on them. Okay, so I pressed new on them and hit OK, but you can press all. So what it does is it updates all the updates that you've just installed a moment ago, or downloaded a moment ago. Now it's installing on the device. takes another few minutes there, and after that it should be ready to use. Okay, so when that's finished, it says app install and brings you to this screen, and this is where you see different options there: diagnostics, OBD II, or upgrades. There you go. So good luck with the device, and I cannot wait to get it into a good use, and hopefully this video might give you some assistance. Okay, thank you, bye.